Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane forklift parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you the Kalmar. This covers the model numbers the C30, C30B, and the PS. It also covers the C35B and the PS series on that one also. Now this has the H20 Nissan engine in it. That has the 4-bolt intake pattern on it for the carburetor. And this kit will come in two styles. We carry the KC kit, which is a kit complete, which is for a gasoline truck. So it comes with everything from the tank brackets all the way to the carburetor. And then we carry the KP kit, which is a partial kit, which is for just refreshing under the hood, changing an older system to a new one. And then we'll go ahead and show you what comes in that kit. All right, now this is showing the kit complete up here. It'll come with your tank brackets, all your toggle clamps, your locating pin, all your hardware for that. It'll come with your water hose, your vacuum hose, your vapor hose, your high pressure LPG hose. It comes with your regulator assembly with your lock off, all the hardware for that, the bracket for mounting that, the fittings for mounting in for your water, pipe Teflon. You'll get your hose clamps, your hardware to mount the regulator bracket. You'll get your connections to the tank, and then also your bulkhead assembly to mount to your counterweight with tie straps. Now obviously the most crucial part of this kit is the carburetor. Okay, now this is got your linkage all done for you with your cable bracket. It has your 4-bolt intake that matches what you have on that. It'll come with your fittings, your advanced vacuum, your fitting for the fuel inlet, and that's basically what will come with the KC. Now with the partial, obviously you'll still get the carburetor, you just won't get your tank brackets, nor your latches or locating pin or hardware for that. You will not get the connection for the tank or your bulkhead that's already existing on the truck. So that's basically what comes in that style kit. Okay, that shows you what comes in both style kits for the Kalmar. If you're interested in purchasing this kit from us, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps out, and have a wonderful day.